Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Public awareness campaign on cybercrime held at Trikikila. Parents' Day observed by Christ King School, Sonapahar. See with your own eyes. Roads available for people of Saipung. And biker crushed to death by overturned container truck. Another news in detail. Police officers from Tikrikila Police Station and Rongram Outpost organized two public awareness campaign programs on cybercrimes, Motor Vehicle Act, rules and regulations on August 1st at Tikrikila Bazaar and Rongram Bazaar. Police officers explained in detail the above subjects to the people of Tikrikila and Rongram. They also enlightened rural people of the use of closed-circuit TV, CCTV, in many places, houses and government and private offices in the cities, district headquarters, even in several houses and shops in the rural areas are using this technology. They advised the people living in the rural areas to behave properly when visiting places and offices in towns, as any misbehavior is recorded by the CCTV camera. They also informed the people that any littering, such as blowing nose, throwing rubbish in wrong places, is recorded and fine may be imposed to such person. During the awareness program, the police officers also explained on the importance of CCTV in detecting crimes and the criminals. The CCTV are becoming the means of safety, security and crime control in the present-day society. Huge crowds attended on the two awareness programs. The management, teachers, students of Christ King School, Sonapahar Parish observed Parents' Day recently, where parents from far and near villages attended the function with enthusiasm. On this occasion, half-yearly examination results were declared with the advice from the headmistress, Reverend Sister Meghalaya Sangma, to students to put in more efforts in their studies as the final examinations are not far off. Reverend Father Sebastian Tiki, SDB Parish Priest, urged the parents to frequently ask their children about their studies. He also advised parents to come and meet the teachers and the headmistress whenever they come to Sonapahar for marketing and other purposes to inquire about the performance of their sons and daughters in their classes. He praised the parents, students, teachers and management for the smooth functioning of Parents' Day celebrations. This is the best condition of roads available for the people of Saipung that falls under 5 Sutanga Saipung Assembly Constituency, East Janta Hills District, which tells its own story. This constituency is represented by Shri Shillong Pale for the third time, who always complained that he was in the opposition and cannot do anything to alleviate the misery of the people of the area. At the same time, Shri Vincent H. Pala was the member of Lok Sabha from Eastern Bloc of Meghalaya for the third time. It is high time to point the three fingers to himself than counting the faults on the other side. This video is a living witness on the first day of September 2022. A biker was crushed to death and a scooty rider was injured when a loaded container truck carrying alcohol beverages for a bonded warehouse lost control in a turning point and overturned on Tura Paikan Road. A biker and a scooty rider who were passing by the truck became victims when it suddenly collapsed on them. The biker Lohit Dimarak of Megam, Akong village in Karkuta, North Garo Hills, was crushed to death after the container fell over him and his bike. Lenitsan Marak, a scooty rider from Samingre village, was also passing through the road when the container overturned. He survived with serious injuries and was taken to the civil hospital in Tura. Lohit Dimarak, who died, worked in the taxation department. He leaves behind his wife and 3 children. His eldest son is a church reverend and one of his daughters is a medical nurse. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.